In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the use button in Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, if your use button isn't working, for example, mine is E, what you're going to do is you're going to click Escape and open your settings. You're going to go into your keybinds and scroll down until you see Use. You're going to unbind and apply. And then you're going to click it again and click the keybind that you used last time and apply it once more. And when you go back and you want to use your item, it should work once again. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.